Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, I am your mathematics teacher, Mohammed Amir Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. And inshallah, we will continue our lecture number 14. And before we start our next exercise, exercise 2.2, I want to give you some ideas about next exercise and onward. First of all, what is cube roots of unity? We have to find the cube roots of unity. Then we will find the properties of cube roots of unity. We will write down, we will confirm, we will prove the cube roots of unity properties. So first of all, we will write down cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. Cube roots mean 3 roots of 1. Unity means 1. Let x is equal to, this is cube root of unity. Cube root of unity, cube root of 1. Let x is equal to 1 cube root. Then x is equal to, you know that this is 1 over 3. The value of radical sign is 1 over 2, but if the radical sign is 3, this is known as index in fact. If index is 3, this is 1 over 3. Index is 5, 1 over 5. Numerical value. Cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. So x cube is equal to 1 because 1 over 3 and power 3 they are cancelled out like that. So x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Bring this 1 to the left hand side. Now write down proper shape of formula of cube. Remember that this is actually your formula a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is your separate cube formula. It will be applied here. Remove this 3 and 3, we are left with x minus 1 into first square. Here is minus, this will be plus, first into second, plus second square, that is 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here you will have x minus 1 is equal to 0, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 1. Here is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. We will apply the quadratic formula to solve this portion. Using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4ac, that is 2 into 1. After that, we will write down x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 over 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus, you know that minus 1 under root and 3 under root. Minus 3 under root can be written in this way. You split up this radical sign. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota 3 under root over 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 3 under root iota over 2. And x is equal to minus 1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. Dear students, x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus 3 under root iota over 2 and x is equal to minus 1 minus 3 under root iota 2. These are 3 cube roots of unity. X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus 3 under root iota over 2, x is equal to minus 1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. They are 3 cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity mean the answers, the values of in terms of three roots. Suppose we take this x, name this value of x as root, that is omega, then this value of x will be written as omega square, because we will prove that each complex root is a square of other. If you take square of this, you will find this one. If you take square of this, you will find this one. So if we take first is omega, then the other one is omega square. So what are the three cube roots of unity now? Three cube roots of unity. Unity are 1 omega square. Three cube roots of unity are 1 omega square. So these are the cube roots of unity. After that, we will write down some properties, rather we will prove some properties of cube roots of unity. Properties. Number 1. Prove that each complex root is a square of other. Each complex root is a square of other. Suppose we have taken omega is equal to -1 plus 3 under root iota over 2. This is first root, this is first complex root. If I take the square on both sides, I will reach that value -1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. Just I told you that if I take this one and taking square, you will find the other root. And if I take square of this, you will find this root. Now scaling we get omega square is equal to -1 plus 3 under root iota over 2 whole square. Okay, open up the formula of square. First you write down in proper order. Here is positive term first and negative inside, and we have two squares for. Open up the formula. First square -2 into first into second plus second square divided by 4. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is equal to, remember that this is square of this. It will be 3 iota square. Square and square root cancel out, 3 iota square. Minus 2 into 3 under root iota plus 1 over 4. Remember that iota square was always equal to -1. So here you will write down -3. -2 into 3 under root plus 1 over 4. -3 plus 1 is -2. -2 into 3 under root over 4. Now what you will get? From here you can take 2 common. -1 minus 3 under root iota over 4. Cancel it. -1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. Dear students, look at that. You got this right hand side. So each complex root is a square of other. Now I will select this one as omega, and we will get square of omega, that will be with positive sign. We will get with positive sign. That's why alternately if I am taking omega. Minus 1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. Scaling. Omega square is equal to minus 1 minus 3 under root iota over 2 whole square. Remember that, take minus common, but remain inside. Remain inside the square, take minus 1. And then because of the square, it will become positive. And inside you will open up the square. First square plus 2 into first into second plus second square divided by 4. Here will be 1 plus 2 into 3 under root iota plus 3 iota square over 4. This square and square root cancelled out, and we are left with 1 plus 2 into 3 under root minus 3 over 4. Because iota square is minus. Here you will have minus 2 plus 2 into 3 under root iota over 4. Dear students, now you can take 2 common from here. This will be, inside will be minus 1 plus 3 under root iota over 4. Cancel it. Minus 1 plus 3 under root iota over 2. I have taken this as omega, and omega square we got that with positive sign. So the quotation was true that each complex root mean the root involving iota. Each complex root is a scale of other. After that, we have the result. Number 2, product of cube roots of unity. Product of cube roots of unity is equal to 1. That is 1 into omega square is equal to 1, or omega cube is equal to 1. This will be the result, we will use that. Now, from here, product of cube roots of unity is equal to 1, you will take left hand side. 1 into omega square. And we will find the answer as 1, right hand side. Okay, we will have 1 into omega. What's the value of omega? Minus 1 plus 3 under root iota over 2. Minus 1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. This is positive sign, this is negative sign. First square minus second square divided by 4. 1 minus 3 iota square over 4. 1 minus 3 iota square means minus 1 over 4. 1 plus 3 over 4. 4 over 4, that is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side. Dear students, product of cube roots of unity is equal to 1. You got that. We put the values, simplify, apply the formula. What was the formula? A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. That was plus, that was minus. So we have the same term with different sign. So we'll apply that formula. After that, third property is sum of cube roots of unity is equal to 0. Property number 3. Sum of cube roots of unity is equal to 0. That is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. This is to prove in fact. We have to show that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Again, we will take left hand side and find our answer. Right hand side as 0. 1 plus, what is the value of omega? Minus 1 plus 3 under root iota over 2. Minus 1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. Put the values of omega and omega square. you can take 2 as LCM. 2, 2 cancelled, 1, and we have plus minus minus 1, minus 1 plus 3 under root iota over 2, iota. Similarly, 2 is cancelled with 2 and you will get this 1 and 1 is multiplied above. Minus 1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. You can check plus 3 under root iota minus 3 under root iota. Minus 1 is minus 2. They are cancelled out. 0 over 2 is equal to 0. That is your right hand side. I hope that you got the idea how to prove different properties of cube roots of unity. After that, now we are able to start our exercise 2.2. Remember that in exercise question we will apply 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Just we have proved sum of cube roots of unity is 0 and product of cube roots of unity is 1. So instead of omega cube we will apply 1 and instead of 1 plus omega square as 0. We'll apply that. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. Find cube roots of minus 1, 8, minus 27, 64. So I think we can take 2 from these. Let cube root of minus 27. Let x is equal to, this is cube roots of minus 27. X is equal to minus 27 power 1 by 3. Just we have solved cube root of unity exactly on the same lines, we will do it. Multiplying, or rather we are taking cube on both sides. X cube is equal to minus 27 and x cube plus 27 is equal to 0. Write down in the shape of formula that formula. If this is plus, there will be small bracket plus and big bracket with negative sign. These are the two formulas. First was the negative sign and other is with positive sign. We have positive formula. Remove this 3 and 3. X plus 3 into first square. This is plus, this will be minus, first into second, plus second square, that is equal to 0. Now we have x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x square minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. For finding the roots of this equation, we will apply quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 9. So, x is equal to minus 3 and applying the formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a minus into minus 3 plus minus minus 3 square, 4 into a is 1, c is 9, that will be equal to 2 into 1. X is equal to 3 plus minus 9 minus 36 over 2, 3 plus minus minus 27 over 2 implies that x is equal to 3 plus minus, and this remember minus 27 minus 1 under root will be separated out from here. You can write down sign into -1 and 27. Here we will have x is equal to -3, that one. That was first root. And x is equal to 3 plus minus iota 3 into 3 under root over 2. This is iota. 27 is actually 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 is double, it will come as a single outside. Take 3 common from here. 1 plus minus 3 under root iota over 2. We have taken common 3 from here. Now, what you suggest? What you will say, that term which is inside, it's not omega or omega scale, remember that. A little change. We had omega was equal to -1 plus 3 under root iota over 2. There was negative sign here. We don't have. So x is equal to 3 into 1 plus 3 under root iota over 2. And x is equal to 3 into 1 minus 3 under root iota over 2. Dear students, proper shape of value of omega is -1 plus 3 under root iota over 2. And if you write down with negative sign, that will be omega square with negative sign here. But here we do not have negative sign with 1. So we will multiply outside and inside with negative sign. So that will be minus minus plus. Here you write down minus and inside you multiply the minus also. If you multiply negative sign with inside, you will get the same one. That one. You will get again this one. Minus minus plus and minus minus. So multiplying in and out by negative sign. Here -1, but this minus will change its sign. Plus 3 under root iota over 2. Remember that. What is this? You can check. This is the value, omega square. And -3, what is inside? That one. With positive sign. That one is omega. So what are the answers? 3 cube roots of -27 are cube roots of -27 are -3 omega -3 omega square. That is your answer. Dear students, I hope that you understood this question. And by the use of same technique, we will find others. And you can do it. What I left for you, -1 and 8. Hopefully you can do it. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.